Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something called a crypto bridge. This might sound complicated for new beginners, but don't worry, I'll break it down the easiest way possible. So let's get started. What is a crypto bridge? A crypto bridge is like a translator between two different blockchains. For example, let's say you have tokens on Solana blockchain, but you want to use them on Ethereum blockchain. Normally, blockchains don't talk to each other directly. This is where a bridge comes in. The bridge will help you move your tokens from one blockchain to another safely. So, why should you use a bridge? Bridges give you more options. Maybe you want to use a DeFi app that is only on another chain, or take advantage of lower fees or faster speeds. You might be wondering if it's safe to bridge. Yes, bridges are safe. They are also useful, but can be risky when you are using wrong links. Some have been hacked before through bridging, so always use trusted bridges. If your wallet warns you, please pay attention. So let me give you one example. Let's say you have USDC on Solana, but the dApp you want to use it on is on Base blockchain. A bridge will help you move that USDC from Solana blockchain to C blockchain so you can be able to use it over there. I hope this explains it more. And that is it, guys. A crypto bridge lets you move your token between different blockchains. Just be careful and use trusted tools. If this helped you, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner friendly crypto tips.